that afternoon when petals fill the air, soft sunlight falling on your face. You looked at me with your gentle smile, and time just seemed to slip away. Through all the changing seasons, we finally made it here. My trembling heart has always been for you. You are my spring, my spring, the love I found after the long winter, the most beautiful part of my life. My spring bride,